What's up, y'all? Beam is back on the beat. So I am going to be doing a new blend today. Mind me, I'm gonna do my skincare. Skincare makes a big difference when you're doing your makeup. Don't let anyone tell you different. It's all about that skin, honey. Serum. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the moisturizer. How's everybody doing today? Did everybody have a great weekend? Oh, my weekend was eventful. Very eventful. So if you guys have oily skin, don't be afraid to still do your skincare and moisturize and put the serum on, because I feel like oil balances oil out. Like everybody always like, oh no, I shouldn't wear moisturizer, I'm oily. But then you looking really scaly and dry when that powder gets on. So just try to use a mattifying primer or a mattifying foundation as well, and definitely cancel out that oil. Okay, this is just gonna help your makeup stay on all day. You know, I know a lot of people are like, oh, I hate prime. It's just another step. I get it. It's another step, but guess what? When you beat all night, you ain't gonna say nothing. When your makeup stays on all day to the next day, some of my clients tell me that their makeup stays on the next day. I don't even know how, but I'm like, okay, maybe it's that skin I'm doing. Maybe it's that the steps I'm taking with the priming. I feel like it makes the biggest difference. The skin needs a barrier. It needs something in between those thick products and that slick skin. It needs something. So we're gonna give it to it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it, okay? Just do it. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with my foundation. Y'all know I do my foundation first with my finger. So I'll dot it with my finger, because last time I was not feeling all that foundation that we put on. I said, ooh, that's a little bit too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my dewy mist. So I'm basically setting my face. I always go overboard. Choking. The foundation is, you want it to be seamless. Remember, I told you guys I do use a brush for my foundation, and the reason that I do that is because I want that coverage to stick. We're going for, make a V underneath the eye, and then I'll fill it in. And you know, you gotta let it simmer. You gotta let the highlight simmer a little bit, because it needs to set up in that face. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes, and y'all know I love to have a blank canvas when it comes to my little eyeshadow. So I do the concealer. So use a mattifying concealer on that lid when you're doing that. And I'm just gonna blend down. And I'm gonna go ahead and proceed to blend out that concealer. Quick beats. Okay, honey. Make sure that concealer blended. No lines. We don't need to see no lines, boo. Look how seamless that is. Quick beat. Quick beam on a beat today. Alrighty, and I like to take, when it's quick, I'll take liquid concealer, and I'll just go ahead and get something that's a couple of shades darker than my skin color. My milkshake brings little boys to the yard. Team right is better than yours. Team right is better than yours. I can, but I have to charge. La 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 La. A little bit more highlight. Pull the under eye up, honey. So sometimes you should layer your concealer if you feel like you need more coverage or you feel like the color is just blending in with your skin too much. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna press it in. So I'm setting my highlight on my forehead as well and everywhere that I put the concealer. And you guys know I normally use a lot of powder, but not this time. We want to look attractive, you know. We want to look good. Not too much. And you guys know I do set my concealer on the eye with powder. It's a quickie. It's definitely it's not long. We're not dragging this out. Turn to the viewer next to you. She ain't dragging this look out today. It's a quick beat. Today I am not letting the highlight sit on any longer than it's supposed to. We're just gonna go ahead and let it sit on for a little bit. And I'm dusting everything away with my setting powder that I normally do. And blend that forehead out, honey. Take that lighter color away. I'm gonna go contour. And I'm using the same fluffy brush so I don't get a harsh line when I'm contouring. And I do like to perk my cheeks up a little bit. I want to look flattering, not like a drag queen. Okay, snatch that nose, honey. Yeah, snatch that nose. I'm gonna go ahead and do a cream blush today. And it's gonna be that cute orangey color for ethnic skin tones. This is a perfect blush for you. And you're just gonna press with your beauty blender. Any creams with the beauty blender is like perfect. And you do want to set it. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it with these two blushes right here. Okay, I gotta tone that down, honey. I'm sorry. Oh no. I ain't trying to look a clown out here, but it's very flattering. I'm gonna tone it down a little bit by blending it down. And if ever something is too pigmented for you, take your brush with a little bit of the setting powder you used and just tone it down. Dab this with my beauty blender. And I'm just gonna dab it to be sun-kissed right on top of the cheek. Just like that, just like so. Just like so. So, highlight with the beauty blender and make sure that it's a liquid glow. Because if you do it with powder, it's not gonna come out with the same effect. And don't put any powder on top of this. We want that to look like real skin, honey. So I am gonna do a little bit on my nose and my upper lip right there. Add a little hue. So I'm also gonna go ahead with the nice eye look. But before I do, today I feel like I wanna see what lip I'm gonna do. I really wanna focus on that because I need to look good. It's everyday. And that's Neutrogena Pink Mocha 90. Go ahead and start with my eye. Natural brow. It's just, it is what it is. And I'm gonna clean it up with some nice, pretty concealer that I love to use. Like it. Chopping it down right there. Making it even. Act like your brush is a wax stick. Whatever hair you don't want, chop it off with that concealer brush, girl. Act like it's a wax stick. We ain't doing that. Oh, oh, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And also, anyone, you know, since we're going into the new year, we're going into 2020, I just want to motivate you guys to keep focusing on the positives. Don't focus on the negative. Focus on what the positives are, and like, let's keep on going. All right, honeys, we are gonna start with this eyeshadow look, and this is gonna be a quick look for eyeshadow, something cute for date night, or if you're running to work in the morning, something where you're running to an event but you don't have a lot of time. We're gonna proceed with this look. And what I do also recommend is just sticking to neutral, sticking to what is flattering for your eyes, and you can never go wrong there. I'm gonna go ahead in my crease with a nice orangey color that's gonna be flattering, like an auburn. And this to me is what's gonna be the bridge between my neutral brow bone and my lid color. So I like to just pack it on at first and swirl it in. Just get that color going right in the crease. Transition color. You always need a transition color between your brow bone and your lid. And it's okay to blend it up. I have a lot of space. I have deep set eyes, so I am gonna use this whole spot right here. If you don't have deep set eyes like me, I can see why you don't go so high, but I have deep set eyes. So this is what's flattering, I feel like, for my eye shape. And I'm gonna go ahead and add definition to that crease. And what I'm gonna use is a nice brown. Just like so. Stop right there. Don't go any further. Put the blending brush down. This is what needs to happen. Nice natural lid color. Nothing crazy. Let's add a nice gold color just for the day. Nice pop. Pop of gold. Just a very nice pop of gold. Like that color. Nice bronzy pop of gold. And we're just gonna go ahead and put that on the lid. Now, you know, sometimes when you're putting it on the lid, that crease color be going away. Girl, go get that brush again and just even that out. Do a nice small liner. Because I love this look to be really soft, I'm not going to do a big wing. I'm just going to do like so. Quick. Small wing. Just like that. Yeah, to underneath our eyes. Yes, honey. Make it sexy. Complete, always complete that look. And you know, before we do lashes, we gotta put a little mascara. Quick beat. This is a quick beat. Alrighty, y'all. The nice natural beat. Very quick beat. Thank you so much for tuning in. And we will see you very soon. Okay? Press that subscribe button. Don't make me work for it. I don't never like to work for it. I like it to come easy.